I have clients who focus more on the color of the fucking banner than how good their supplier is. They're solving the small problems to avoid the big ones because they think that the small ones are going to fix the big ones on their own. Since I work with a lot of clients, I'm able to see certain behaviors in people that just like really confuse me, but also is a great way for them to improve. There's a lot of entrepreneurs who focus on the stupidest of shit ever. Stupid shit. They overthink stupid things like the color of a button or like one word in a sentence or like stupid ass shit that doesn't move the needle. And people actually focus on these small things because they're afraid to focus on the big things. I have clients who focus more on the color of the fucking banner than how good their supplier is. I have clients who focus on one word in an ad other than the fact that their sales team can't fucking close anybody. They're solving the small problems to avoid the big ones because they think that the small ones are gonna fix the big ones on their own. Fixing the small shit is a daily fucking thing. It doesn't mean you have to put all your focus on it. It's why you delegate those small things. It's why you have agencies. It's why you have fucking employees. The big things in your business are the ones that are gonna move the needle. Not the color of your fucking banner. Not the side of your logo. Not all these stupid fucking things that don't move the needle. The reason why I've built a 7-figure business is because I only focus on the big shit. I have a proven concept. I don't give a fuck about my logo. I don't care about the color of the fucking attention bar. I run ads. I get my sales team booked and they fucking close people. I don't care about nothing else. I don't care about the cost per lead. I don't care about my cost per click. I don't care about none of that shit. Because if I can close and focus on my sales team closing, then I can make money with predictability. I don't give a fuck about my cost per lead. There's a lot of business owners when they're first starting out, they're like, oh, my cost per lead's a little high. I'm like, well, are you still getting phone calls? Yeah, I'm getting about 3 to 4 a day. Okay, so why the fuck are you not closing them? The cost per lead's not the problem. Those leads are fucking qualified. You're getting 10 questions from these people. You need to be able to fucking close them. The problem is not the cost per lead. It's the fact you suck fucking ass on the phone. That's your problem. And that's what I instill in my sales guys. I'm like, guys, listen, you get fucking 12 calls, you gotta fucking close 3 of them. 3 to 4 of them. Like, set KPIs. Do that kind of shit. Stop focusing on the dumbass shit. Like the sub fucking text and a button. That stuff doesn't move the needle. It's crazy, man. So I hope this really opened a lot of your guys' fucking minds, because I know a lot of you right now are focusing on stupid shit. Like, oh, like, what should my website say? No one fucking cares about what your website says. What is your offer? And who the fuck is closing people? How are you moving the money from your client's pocket to your pocket with predictability at a good conversion rate where you are profitable and you can churn and grow ad spend, grow a team, and scale to the fucking moon? That's how you build a real business.